The enigmatic yellow-bellied flycatcher is a captivating subject for any ornithologist or bird enthusiast, a small but significant member of the tyrant flycatcher family. Often elusive, this flycatcher bird is best identified not just by sight, but also by its distinctive vocalizations. While its name might suggest a strikingly bright avian, the yellow-bellied moniker refers to a subtle yet diagnostic characteristic, a wash of yellowish plumage on its underside that distinguishes it from other similar species. Distinguishing the yellow-bellied flycatcher from other flycatchers can be a significant challenge, even for experienced birders. These are truly yellow and black birds in a nuanced sense, with olive-green upperparts and a yellowish wash on the belly, contrasting with darker wings and tail. The critical field marks often include a prominent yellowish eye ring and yellowish wing bars, though these can be variable. It's not a bird that immediately screams yellow, unlike, say, a prothonotary warbler, but rather possesses a refined, understated elegance. The challenge is further compounded by its close resemblance to other species. For instance, while the yellow-rumped flycatcher is a distinct species entirely, belonging to the warbler family and possessing a bright yellow rump patch, the subtle yellow on the underside of our subject highlights the importance of precise observation in the field. These migratory birds primarily breed in the boreal forests of Canada and the northern United States, preferring damp, coniferous woodlands, often near bogs or swamps. Their breeding habitat choice reflects their dietary preferences, as they are expert insectivores, snatching insects on the wing with remarkable agility. Their short, broad bills are perfectly adapted for this aerial hunting style, a characteristic shared by many tyrant flycatcher species. During migration, they can be found in a wider variety of wooded habitats as they journey to their wintering grounds in Central America and southern Mexico.